Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, chrome mirror caps, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.